ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యా రంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
x equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 11. So 4 plus y is equal to 11. Y equal to 11 minus 4, that is 7. So x comma y, in this case 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7. For this type, I will give you some problems, you solve it. X cube plus y cube is equal to 637 and x plus y is equal to 13. X cube minus y cube is equal to 218 and x minus y is equal to 2. So this is, and third problem, x cube minus y cube is equal to 988 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now solve these three equations. By using the same process. Next method, next one, solve the equations 3x plus 7y is equal to 27 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. Solve the equations. There are 2-3 methods by solving the equations. First one is elimination process. I want to discuss in detail. So this is the first one and this is second one. First equation multiplying by 5. First equation multiplying by 5. Then this becomes what? 5 into 3. This is 15. Are you right? 5 into 3x plus 7y is equal to 5 into 27. So this is 15x plus 35y is equal to 135. So this is one equation. And the second equation we are multiplying by 3 to make it as the coefficient of x, both are make it as equal. Second equation we are multiplying by 3. So second one is what? That is 3 into 5x plus 2y is equal to 3 into 16. Already students, you know how to solve the problems, but once again I can recollect. So this is 15x plus 6y is equal to 48. So this is one equation. Now solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Third equation is 15x plus 35y is equal to 135. And this is 15x plus 6y is equal to 48. 48. By subtracting, that means this becomes minus, this is minus, this is also minus. 15x minus 15x, both gets cancelled. And it is 35y plus, that is minus 6y, this is 29y is equal to 135 minus 48. So this is, it is 7 and it is 8. 87. Therefore, y is equal to 87 by 29. 87 by 29. 29 threes, that equal to 3. Y value is 3. Y value 3. Now, from 1 or 2, from 1 or 2, that is 1 I am taking 3x plus 7y is equal to 27. That is 3x plus 7 into y value 3 is equal to 27. So this is 3x plus 21 is equal to 27. Therefore, that is 3x is equal to 27 minus 21, that is 6. 3x is equal to 6 implies x is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Check whether your answer is right or wrong. 3 into x value is 2, 6. Verification. 3 into 2 plus 7 into I think y value is 3. So this is 6 plus 21, which is 27. So answer is correct. So this is one method to solve the equations. This is one method. Write down. So this is one method, this is absolutely correct method, but suppose if the coefficients are, if the x coefficient, y coefficient and the constants are very big numbers, that is, for example, 21x plus 15y is equal to 120, and this is, let it be some 15x plus 7y is equal to 95. In this case, if you are multiplying this by 7, this by 15, then you get a number is a big number, but it takes some time while solving the problem. That's why you can go to another method. Already you know the elimination method. Elimination method means what? This is second method. That means what? From this second one, 2y is equal to 16 minus 5x. Y is equal to 16 minus 5x by 2. Y value. Now substituting y value in 1. So from 1, equation 1. Substituting y value in 1. So this is 3x plus 7 into y, where y is 16 minus 5x by 2 is equal to 27. 27. So by taking LCM, 2 is LCM 2. So this is 6x plus 16 sevens are 112 minus 35x is equal to 27. Therefore, these 6x minus 35x, that is minus 29x plus 112 is equal to cross multiplication. This is 54. That is 54. So minus 29x minus 29x is equal to 54 minus 112. So this is equal to minus, that is 112 54 by subtracting. This is 8 and it is 5. So this is minus 58 minus 29x equal to. Therefore, x equal to, there minus gets cancelled, 58 by 29, which is 2. So, and from first one or second one, any one, I am taking from 2, second equation. What is second one? 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. X value is 2. So, 5 into y is equal to 16. 10 plus 2y is equal to 16. Therefore, 2y is equal to 16 minus 10, that is 6. Y is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So, x comma y is equal to, x value is 2, y value is 3. So, this is one method. In both 1 and 2 methods, suppose you have done a small mistake for x. X value, instead of x value 2, suppose you get, let it be minus 2 or some other value, automatically y is also wrong. Automatically y is also goes wrong, because y, you are substituting x value in first equation or second equation. So, y value depends on x. Suppose you have done a mistake, x equal to, so by mistake x equal to, suppose you have to write minus 2, automatically y goes wrong. So, in first method also, in this method also, same problem. So, that is why you can go to third one. I discuss now, but we have to solve the problems using that method, because of you get the practice. Right now. Now the third method is the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication process, that is, you rewrite the equations 3x plus 7y minus 27 equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y minus 16 equal to 0. First, always write the coefficient of y, that is what? Coefficient of y. Write constant term. Next one is you write minus 27. Write x coefficient 3 and write y coefficient 7. Once again I repeat, first write the coefficient of y, constant term, x coefficient, y coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. That is what? 7, minus 27, 3, 7. In the same way, same. Y coefficient is what? 2, then minus 16, then x coefficient, y coefficient. That is what? First write, this is 2 and this is minus 16 and x coefficient 5, y coefficient 2. Okay, y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. You can put here x, it is y, it is 1. Always put like this. Now, x by product of these two. You can multiply these two, product of these two. That is 7 into minus 16. Okay, now put minus. And the product of these two, 2 into minus 27. X by product of these two, that is 7 into minus 16. Put always minus. And the product of these two, that is 2 into minus 27 is equal to y by y. Product of, not like this, product of this, that is minus 20 into 5. Next minus, put minus, product of these two numbers, that is minus 16 into 3. Minus 16 into 3 is equal to, you write 1 by product of these two. Product of these two is, that is 3 into 2 minus product of these two, minus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Just only by practice you will get it. After that I will give you 5 to 6 problems, you have to do it. Now this is x by product of these two is minus 1, 1, 2, minus of minus plus 54. 54 is equal to y by product of these two, minus 135. Minus 135. Minus of minus plus 16 3s are 48 is equal to 1 by 6 minus 35. 6 minus 35. That is equal to x by x by, so this is 112, 54 means what? By subtracting, this is 112, 54, that is 58. So this is minus 58 is equal to y by, so the minus 135 plus 48. Minus 135 plus 48 by subtracting. So this is what? Minus 87. Minus 87 is equal to 1 by this is minus 29. Minus 29. So equating to this constant each one, that is x by minus 58 is equal to 1 by minus 29. Therefore x equal to minus 58 by minus 29, that is equal to 2. 2. Like y by minus 87 is equal to 1 by minus, therefore y is equal to minus 87 by minus 29, that equal to 3. 3. Therefore, x comma y is therefore x comma y. X comma y is, x value is what? X value 3, sorry 2, y value is 3. Y value is 3. So, which process you go for means that is it depends on the problem. Depends on the problem. Some problems it is the best method to solve x and y values. Suppose you had done a small mistake x value. X equal to, instead of 2 you write 3. Y is automatically you will get correct answer. Y correct because x is independent of y. Independent of y. You cannot substituting x value in this. So x is equal to 2. Suppose you have done a small mistake, x value is minus 2, y value got it 3. Both are independent. So better to go for this process because this is the first one. You can practice 2 or 3 problems, automatically you will get the simple. You feel easy. Now I will discuss one more problem. Solve 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus y is equal to 9. Solve this equation. So, in the same process 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0, 4x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. First write the coefficient of y, 4. Next constant minus 10, x coefficient 3, y coefficient 4. X coefficient is here 1, constant minus 9, y coefficient 4, x coefficient 1. Put x, y 1. So, this is x by product of these two. Product of these two is what? So, this is 4 into minus 9, minus 36. Put minus. Product of these two, 1 into minus 10 is equal to y by product of these two, that is minus 40. Put minus. Product of these two, minus 9 into 3. Minus 9 into 3 is equal to 1 by product of these two, 3 minus product of these two, minus 4 into 4. 4 into 4. So, this is x by minus 36. Minus 36 minus of minus is plus 10 equal to y by minus 40 minus of minus plus 27 equal to 1 by 3 minus 16. So, this is x by minus 26 is equal to y by minus 13 equal to 1 by minus 13. Now, first equating to this, after that equating to this. So, x by minus 26 is equal to 1 by minus 13 implies x equal to minus 26 by minus 13, that is 2, because minus minus gets cancelled. Next to y by minus 13 equal to minus 1 by 13 implies y is equal to minus minus gets cancelled, 13 cancelled, that equal to minus, this is 13 by 13 because minus minus cancelled, that equal to 1. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. You just verify whether it is right or wrong. X is 2. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 1, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. So, your answer is correct. X comma y is 2 comma 1. And one more problem, solve ax plus by plus c equal to 0, bx plus cy plus a equal to 0. If the problems are like this, cross multiplication process is very simple, very simple. Why? You just see here. First write the coefficient of y, b, c, a, b, a, b. And this one, y coefficient is c, constant is a, x coefficient is b, y coefficient is c. So, x, this is x, this is y, 1. X by product of these two, ab minus c square equal to y by product of these two, bc or cb minus a square is equal to 1 by, so this is ac minus b square. So, equating these two, what is x equal to? X equal to ab minus c square by ac minus b square. And equating these two, what is y is equal to? Y equal to, by cross multiplication, bc minus a square by ac minus b square. Simple, we will get the answer. Equating this and this. X is equal to what? ab minus c square by ac minus b square. And equating these two, what is y is equal to? bc, cross multiplication, bc minus a square by ac minus b square. Simple, x comma y. X comma. Suppose if you are doing the elimination process or this multiplying by b, this multiplying by a, so you will get the different. After finding the x value, this one, you substituting y value, this value in first equation or second equation, that is comparatively little bit lengthy, and there is a chance you have done some mistakes. That's why this is very simple method. X comma y equal to AB minus C square by AC minus B square, comma, and BC minus A square by AC minus B square. So these are very important while we discuss in coordinate geometry, point of intersection of lines everywhere. Let's solve. Lx plus my is equal to n and px plus qy is equal to r. Solve the equations. So this you rewrite Lx, don't forget, you can write this side always. Lx plus my minus n equal to 0 and px plus qy minus r equal to 0. Cross multiplication. Write the coefficient of y, m. Coefficient of that is constant minus n. X coefficient L. Y coefficient m. Y coefficient q, constant minus r, x coefficient p, y coefficient q. So this is x, y, 1. X by, so this is x by product of these two, m into minus r, that is minus mr, minus product of these two, q into minus n is equal to y by product of these two minus n into p, and put minus product of these two, that is minus r into L is equal to 1 by product of these two L q minus product of these two minus p m. Therefore, this is x by minus mr minus a plus q n equal to y by minus np plus l r minus of minus is equal to 1 by l q minus p m. So, x by I minus EMR plus Qn is equal to, equating to this constant, equal to 1 by L Q minus P M, implies x is equal to, take that side, equal to minus EMR plus Qn by LQ minus PM. And y is equal to equating these two. You can take this side, y equal to minus np plus lr by lq minus pm. Therefore, you write x comma y is equal to like this. Now I will give you some problems. You solve by using this cross multiplication method. Solve the equations. Four x plus 7y equal to 29. X plus 3y equal to 11. For this, answer is 3, 5. This is 2, 3. Two x minus y is equal to 9. 3x minus 7y is equal to 19. Answer is 4, minus 1. This is answer. Five x plus 6y is equal to 17. 6x plus 5y is equal to 16. So this is answer. Now you have to solve all these problems by using cross multiplication process.